Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 15 January 2022. Today's topic name is Thread Life Cycle and Scheduler in Java. So, firstly, we discuss about thread life cycle and scheduler included in Java. Explain in this. Then first one explain the thread concept. In Java programming language, the single thread is smaller and lightweight unit of processing. Java can create a thread by using the thread class. The thread class are divided into two types of threads. First one is a user thread and second one is a daemon thread. Then explain one by one. First one is a user thread. User thread is a high priority thread. That means JVM uses thread till their execution completes, while the daemon thread are low priority tester and they support the user thread. Actually, the user thread are designed to carry out or perform the specific and complicated task. The daemon thread are need to provide the services to the user thread, while user threads are running in the Java programming. So this is the thread and this is the thread. Then we discuss about thread life cycle. In Java, can create the thread by using the thread class. Once the thread is created in the program, then thread can go from several stages. The stages such as running stage, new stage, runnable stage, dead stage. Then explain one by one. First one is a new thread. First one is a new stage. The new stage is also known as born thread state. In this new state, the newly created thread are placed. The newly created thread remains in this state until the thread scheduler decides to start that thread in JVM. And then second one is a runnable. Once we create the instance of the thread class, that means our thread is created. Then we can start the thread by using the start method. At that point, the control goes to the next state, that is runnable state. Then third stage is a running running state. Once we call the thread by using the start method, that time the execution of thread is started. Then the control goes to thread scheduler, and thread scheduler pick the thread from the thread pool. Then it start the execution of the thread. Then fourth one is a waiting. In this application, that are the many threads are running at the same time. So here we need synchronization. Synchronization is a process where multiple threads are shared one resource. One resource. Then we last one is a decided dead. Uh, the, uh, this state is also known as thread termination state. In this state, the thread is terminated either on or terminated by JVM. So, we can, as soon as the thread completed its execution, thread goes to the dead state. So we can say that in this state, dead state, the thread is no longer in the system or thread is terminated. That's all about threads life cycle. Then we discuss about the thread scheduler. In the Java programming language, the thread scheduler is a part of the JVM. The thread scheduler will decide which thread should run and which thread should wait. Then second one is the thread scheduler always choose the thread that can be in the runnable state or runnable. Third one is the thread scheduler. The thread scheduler has responsibility to execute the code. The thread schedulers has included two factors for scheduling, such as priority and time arrival. So firstly we discuss priority. Actually, the priority lies between the 0 to 10 thread which has the high priority. That means the thread scheduler will choose the thread which is having the higher priority, and then he will decide that the execution of it. Then second one is a time arrival. Uh, in time arrival, first we discussed about the priority. That means the threads which is having the higher priority will be choose by the thread scheduler. But in this situation, where at the same priority thread are coming, then the priority does not matter. Then thread scheduler can start the execution of the thread which is coming first, that is first in first server. So here priority is not matters, only time of arrival matters. That's all about time arrival, and that's all about today's topic. Thank you.